Hello there, this is Chauhan from Bonsai Hunter. Happy World Bonsai Day to all Bonsai Hunter family and all the bonsai artists. Friends, what is World Bonsai Day? The World Bonsai Friendship Federation established this international day of celebration to pay homage to bonsai master Saburo Kato's mission to promote peace and friendship through the art of bonsai. The day is celebrated on the second Saturday of May each year, which this year is May 14th. Once again, Happy World Bonsai Day. Goodbye.